And the Oscar goes to... Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday, March the 12th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Yes, those puzzles are the 3 Stars Sudoku, the 4 Stars Sudoku and the JigSaw Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional, yes, the additional is back. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 JigSaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and a binary. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But let me start with the 3 regular puzzles. Well, the news of today, well, told you a little bit. The Oscars, we have the first Oscar for a Dutch cameraman. Yeah, Dutch cameraman. For the movie or film Oppenheimer. Yes, this man has won the Oscar. It's the Dutchman Van Hoytema. Yes, Van Hoytema has won. Hoyte van Hoytema, yes. What a name. Hoyte van Hoytema. Anyway, let me start with the first Sudoku. It will be a 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku, let me zoom this in. This one will be number 8174. 8174. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 27 for 3 stars puzzle. I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. A puzzle with 27 should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if I can manage this with faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 in this row, in this column, so no 4 in this box. We have a 4 in this row, last row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Need a 4 here, need a 2. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the first column, only 2 places left, 8 should be here. Or there, we have an 8 in the third row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Need an 8 here. Come on, need a 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 in these. 3 boxes here, 9 in the second row, no 9 in those. 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. 1, 1. What the 7 in this big square? Need a 7. We have a 7 in this second row. No 7 in these 2 boxes. Here 7 in the second column. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in the first column. 7 in the second column. So the third column. Only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third row. 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we have a 7 in the last column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here. Here. Or there, we have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 in the last column. No 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the Sevens are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. And now, let me see which number can I pick. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Need an 8 here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in the middle row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. 6 in the first row. 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only place left for 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing number in the middle row is number 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 in that column, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 in the middle row should be there. Then need a 6 here. And I need a 6 there. And I need a 6 here. And I need a 6 there. Will be difficult. Okay. 1, 1. 1, 1. Yeah. Alright. Need a 2 here. 2 in this column. 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next, so in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 2. I need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. That means you need a 4 here. 2 numbers left in the third column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. On the last column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, only place left for the 4 should be there. Need a 4 here, need a 4 there. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Can I continue with the 8? The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 8. Alright. 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 1 box left in this column. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Well. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left, and the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 second column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Can I count? And all the 9s are used. I can see digital for number 9, okay. Then, let me see. Here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, the 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1, 3, and then need a 4 here. 1, 3, and need the 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing here. All right. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, need a 6 there. Okay, how about the 3 then? No, need 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We have a pair, the 1 and the 6 in this column. The 1 and the 6 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left here, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 box left in this big square for number 3. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, we solved it again. Told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. Can I be a 3 stars, 2 stars, 1 star? Well, also not a 1 star because I'm faster than 30 minutes. So it should be a 0 stars. And we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the other 2 regular puzzles, the 4 Stars Sudoku and the Tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.